Good evening, traders. Welcome to another session of Nifty analysis. On behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute, I welcome you to this session. So, friends, today the movement, right? I think we were focused more on Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty. I said Nifty may face a small resistance, but Nifty has a space to go right up to 18,500, right? So unlike Bank Nifty, where the chart is not very clear, Nifty still looks to be in a better place. इसका रीजन प्राइमरली क्या है? सेक्टर रोटेशन चल रहा है और रिलायंस हैज नॉट शोन एनी वीकनेस, राइट? सो जनरली बैंकिंग जब वीक होता है, रिलायंस आईटी टेंड्स टू pick up the shares on the Nifty, right? And if you see, right, if you see, you would observe that, and I had in the live session as well, right? I had shown this thing to people that Nifty IT, right? Nifty IT is looking strong to me, right? Nifty IT continues to look strong to me. If you see here, Nifty IT has actually given a breakout, right? Nifty IT has given a breakout of this trend line, which was coming from the top, right? Which means from a trading standpoint, if you want to go long, right, this is the level where it can come, right? And this is a trend line which you had met 3 points consolidation. This has given a breakout. Ideally, gap filling tomorrow, right? Sometime gap filling and then later consolidation in 29,000 somewhere post 10th to 11th May, right? We can hit this level, right? Which means we will see one leg of rally in our IT mid-cap stocks that we have given, right? So for tomorrow, ideally Nifty 50, if you want to go long, is a good trade to pick. It's a good trade to pick, right? Now, let's look at what happened today. For today, right? The chart in Nifty was simpler. It opened at a resistance, right? It took a resistance. Sorry, I will go to, sorry. In Nifty, right? It opened, right? It opened gap up. It took a support on the swing of the prior day, went up, right? And then with the correction, it actually kind of came down. But closing in Nifty is still above the levels that it has broken out of for the closing candle, right? So I am still looking at a good support, right? So for tomorrow, the strategy is simple. Below 18,220, right? You get a closing candle, right? You take a trade with a stop loss at 18,240 for this target, right? Target 1 should be 18,140. Target 2 should be 18,106. Target 3 should be 18,050 to 18,080, right? Long side, if it opens flat, consolidates here, right? 18 to 82, then it can go all the way up to 18,350, 18,450 and 18,500. Bank Nifty is swinging here and there every day. So Nifty में ना movement में वो velocity नहीं आ रही, right? So just keep your eyes open. For today, Nifty trade was good, but we had focused on Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty trades. Nifty, just keep your eyes open. You may get, if you have a flat opening, consolidation, and then breakout of this range, you may get a good movement upside on Nifty, right? Purely because of Nifty, IT, and Reliance, right? Now, if I look at the stocks, right? Today we had picked up stocks. Most of the stocks opened gap up, right? So we don't chase gap up. But Adani Enterprises gave a good move. Lalpath Lab, Adani Enterprise, right? Both gave a good move. We have closed the calls from our end. We are holding it with 10% of our profit, right? Vedanta again gave a good move. SBI card gave good move. None have hit the target. None have hit the stop loss. Whirlpool had opened gap up. I did not chase it, right? Now, our stock option picks, which are open at this point of time, right? I am taking out Lalpath Labs and Adani Enterprises. HCL also, right, is at 12.5. HCL tomorrow will give you a chance to exit at 30-40% profit. Please exit, right? So you have Coforge, you have Exide, right? Two. There is Divis Lab and HAL, right? Divis Lab is already in profit. HAL is in profit. Tomorrow, once it opens, we'll take a call. Right? That call was given in the last 5, 10, 15 minutes, right? Coforge is a problem. Coforge went right up to 40, I think 57 or 58 it went today. And from there it has corrected, right? We'll monitor this position and we'll let you know. Right? Now coming to what are the stocks which we are eyeing, right? Divis Lab, obviously, it has broken out. Tomorrow, so we were looking at a support at this place, right, to enter long. It has actually taken the support there and it's going up, right? For now, we see this stock in the near term to go towards 3,500, right? You've already given it through option. If you have traded, don't bother much, but this can go up to 3,500, right? It has a tendency of consolidating for some time and then boom, gives a good move after the breakout it had done here. We are expecting the same character to be repeated at the top as well. Next is Apollo Tire. Again, Apollo Tire. So sorry, I'll just one point which I forgot to mention, right? Okay, this right, this opening range breakout. The reason I'm saying it is here there was a thick resistance. Once it takes out, it will give you 3,410, 3,491, 3,500, right? We have played this through options. So just again, guys, requesting cash market, you take a trade that we are saying. Stock options positionally, please allocate it out. Allocate 10% of the profits which we are generating out of it. Next is Apollo Tire. Again, interesting option build up here, right? Interesting option build up here. I am personally expecting a good rally to come here, right? A good rally to come here. It's gone in a grinding manner up. It's given healthy pullback. Now it's getting ready about 382 to go towards the targets of 390, 400, right? Looks like a good stock. Don't play it with option, but for tomorrow, right, you will get a good entry in future. TechM, if you see, went up sharp on 2nd May, post that gave a healthy correction, consolidated. Now above 1,050, right? It's again getting ready for 1,065, 1,070. Navin Fluorine again has been sideways since this impulse leg, right? It's neither going towards the lower end of the range nor towards the higher end of the range. Personally, above 4,810, I am seeing a rally in this up till 4,870. For tomorrow, I'm keeping it in my watch list. I would want to see how the intraday movements are there. But if you get a solid candle closing in 15 minutes above 4,810, you can take a trade with 15 to 16 point stop loss for the targets of 4,860. Right? Lupin and IRCTC are other two calls which I had given in one of the live sessions. Lupin, right? I had requested yesterday to close. It has from this level, right? It has given a fantastic move in the last 2-3 days. Positionally, we had asked people to build this one. They have made good profits. Please close, right? IRCTC may be in small loss, but again, let's wait and watch beyond 633. This one also can go all the way up to 687, right? This positional stock option is open personally on my live. We have not given it on the chat, but in one of the live sessions, I said I am going to take this, right? So with respect to Nifty and stocks, the strategy is simple. Tomorrow, Bank Nifty looks slightly colored, but Nifty looks strong, right? Nifty looks strong at the level which I have mentioned, flat opening, right? Consolidation and a breakout, you can trade, right? For tomorrow now, at least the market can take a pause. Today, the way it behaved, right? Again, it would be grinding. That would make my expiry very interesting on Thursday. If tomorrow there is a trending market, expiry will be going. So let's see how it plays out, right? Don't try to again don't get into that mode where you're watching US 30, Dow Jones, SGX Nifty throughout the night. It will spoil your sleep, right? Just go through the analysis. See in intraday if you're getting good trades, try to make those trades and make decent returns, right? For now, this is it, friends. If you are liking our content, please share it with your family, right? For people who are watching the video and are yet to subscribe to our channels, I would request them to subscribe, right? Please share it again, guys. We are nearly 700. We want to grow 2,000 to 2,000 people very quickly, members, right? I request you to share this quality content where I'm teaching setups, doing live trades, and sharing certain calls, right? Again, a standard disclaimer, we are not SEBI registered analysts, right? We request, this is just for education purpose, we request everyone to do their own research and take it. These calls that we give are more from an education purpose. These are setups that we have traded over a period of time and have been profitable over the last 3 to 4 years, right? With that, I will close the session. Guys, hope you guys have a good Wednesday from a trading standpoint. We'll meet you in the live market again tomorrow. Thank you, guys.